Hey guys, Fuller again with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. We have another vehicle spotlight for you. This is a 2016 Jeep Wrangler JKU Sport Unlimited Trail Rated Straight Axle. Awesome piece of equipment on some 20x10s and 33's. Let's go.
So big in the windows black, got the knob all lit up, double chromed out stacks. Yeah, we love to get them dirty, but still they so clean. Custom Offsets, Team Handz is the team. We on top of it now, we ain't never gonna fade. So you better get ready for taking over the game.
All right, so to start off with, I'll show you the lift kit here. So this is a 2-inch BDS. It's a coil spring spacer, both front and rear. So if you hop on in here, you can just see the spacer on top, the coil spring there. And then this just has the standard NX2 series shocks that come with the kit. You can also upgrade this to the Fox shocks if you want. With that 2-inch, we're able to fit this wheel and tire setup. This is a fuel tank, a little less popular wheel. You don't see a ton of these. And this is a 20x10 and -18. It's more of a concave wheel, so there's not really a lip test per se, but it's, you know, the paint quality goes all the way back to the edge, so you do get a deep lip in here. But again, just a concave style wheel, gloss black with the machined edges, and then the tiny center cap, so you can run the spike lug nuts on here. For tires, these are the Thompson Baja ATZ P3. So that's a whole bunch of numbers and letters, but what that means is this is their hybrid tire, so you get really good mileage out of this one. It's not quite as noisy, but it's not one to go, you know, playing in the mud. Obviously, it's still an all-terrain tire where you can, you know, go off-road with it if you want, but you still have good handling on the road as well. And like I said, 305/55. So what that means is this is about 33.2 tall, and then it's exactly 12 wide. So you'll see you do get a little protection on the side there because the tire does stick out past the wheel. As far as stance goes, you're outside of these plastic fenders, 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches, and outside of the bumper there just a little bit. I'll just show you the rear real quick. Obviously there's no fitment issues back here. Everything goes on just fine. And being a Jeep, there's no trimming or anything up front either because it's a Jeep. There's tons of space. Interior wise, pretty simple. Again, this is the Wrangler Unlimited Sport and also the Trail Rated package on here. So you get your cloth seats, pretty basic Jeep interior. They all almost look the same. This one also does have the removable hardtop, which is nice in the summer. And I think that about rounds it out. Take a look up front. Yeah, she's just all blacked out Jeep. So this is actually one of the builds that is offered for sale. So this one's down in Holiday Automotive in Fond du Lac. One of our good buddies, Tim, down there, he sends us up some vehicles. We get them tricked out and send them back down so you guys can buy them. So if you're interested in this or any other vehicles, you can check the link in the description if it's in there, or just drop us a comment. We'll get you hooked up with the right guys. That's it. That's a 2016 Jeep. Peace.